Hello and welcome to the Routemaster for Hire YouTube channel. We're proud to have the privilege of owning one of London's most recognisable sites, the iconic London Routemaster double-decker bus. Built in the 1960s, the Routemaster came to symbolise London, mainly because it served our capital for over 45 years. And today, nearly 70 years since the first Routemaster rolled off the production line, they're more popular than ever. Based in the United Kingdom, we're an independent family-run business. You can hire our iconic buses for weddings and special events across Cheshire, the North West and North Wales. We love sharing our passion for these old buses, and so we regularly post videos of their restoration, their repair and their operation. So if you'd like to find out more about what it takes to maintain and operate these iconic London buses and keep them on the roads, then please subscribe to this channel. We'd love to have you on board.